Welcome back to Kingna. Today we're taking a look at 10 budget classic trucks priced between $1,200 and $2,000. These are project vehicles, but each one has unique features that make them worth a closer look. Let's dive in. 1987 Dodge D150 regular cab long bed, $2,000. Located in Marion, Indiana, this 1987 Dodge D150 has 119,000 miles on it and comes with a 318 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The exterior is tan while the interior is brown. The truck has some rust on the quarters, but the frame and floor pans are solid. It's a reliable daily driver, though it does take a bit longer to start in the cold. The D150 was Dodge's full-size workhorse in the 80s, known for its durability and simple design. This one even comes with a spare set of wheels and tires, perfect for someone looking to keep it on the road or restore it. 1985 Ram 1500 Classic Regular Cab Express Pickup, $1,800. Next, we have a 1985 Ram 1500 located in Hartsville, Tennessee. This truck has a clean interior and the body is in very good shape for its age. However, it currently has a blown head gasket. If you've got the time to replace it, this could be a great deal for $1,800. The Ram 1500 from this era was popular for its rugged build and capability. It's also a classic square-body truck, which has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years among enthusiasts. Half 3, 1988 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab work truck in $1,400. In Toledo, Ohio, we have a 1988 Chevy Silverado with 90,000 miles. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and a small block V8 engine. The truck has some rust on the bed and needs a tow since the engine is knocking. Even with that, there are plenty of new parts in the engine compartment, and the price is only $4,100. The Silverado from this period was known for its reliable performance and versatile use as both a work truck and a daily driver. With a little work, this could be a great project truck or parts vehicle. Hana 4, 1985 Ford F150 regular cab long bed, $1,200. This 1985 Ford F150 is located in Granton, Wisconsin. It runs, drives, and stops with a 300 straight-six engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. However, it doesn't come with a title, so the sale will be conducted with a bill of sale only. For $1,200, this truck could serve as a parts vehicle or a farm truck, depending on what you need. The 1985 F-150 is part of Ford's 7th generation lineup, which was known for its boxy design and long-lasting durability. A solid platform for a DIY enthusiast. Five, 1965 Chevrolet 3500 regular cab chassis, $2,000. Located in Dorr, Michigan, this 1965 Chevy 3500 is an old dump truck that runs and moves but has no brakes. It's listed for $2,000 or best offer. The Chevrolet 3500 from the 60s was a heavy-duty truck built to handle big loads with ease. This one would make a cool restoration project, especially for someone looking to restore a vintage work truck with history. Number 6, 1984 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, $1,800. In Huntsburg, Ohio, we've got a 1984 Chevrolet 2500 K-Series truck with 109,747 miles. It features a 350 small block engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and locking hubs. While the truck runs and drives, it burns oil at a rate of a quart every 15 miles and has some rust in the cab floor. This Chevy 2500 is part of the third generation K series, known for its off-road capability and strong build. With some attention to the engine and rust, this could be a solid workhorse for someone in need of a 4x4 truck. HAP 7, 1973 Chevrolet Classic, $1,950. Listed in Clinton, Arkansas, this 1973 Chevy truck has 10,440 miles on the clock, though it's in need of a new transmission. The seller still has the old transmission, but it needs a rebuild. These early 70s Chevy trucks have a great following due to their strong build and simple mechanics. If you're up for a rebuild, this one could be a great option at $1,950. 8. 1984 Ford F150 regular cab, $1,300. Located in Fairmount, Georgia, this 1984 Ford F150 has a 5.88 HO motor that ran when the truck was parked. It's equipped with a C6 automatic transmission and a 9-inch rear end. While the body is clean with only minor rust, the truck hasn't been run in a while, and it's being offered at $1,300 or best offer. The 1984 F-150 is part of the 7th generation of Ford trucks, known for its mix of durability and utility. With a bit of work, this could be a fun project or reliable work truck. HAR 9, 1968 Ford F-450 Super Duty regular cab, $1,800. Next up is a 1968 Ford F-450 Super Duty dump truck, located in Hardinsburg, Indiana. It's got 30,000 original miles on a 330 industrial engine, and the dump bed works great. However, it will need some brake work to get back on the road. For $1,800, this is a great deal for a vintage heavy-duty work truck. The late 60s F-Series trucks were known for their toughness and utility and would make a cool ration project for someone who needs a functional classic. $10. 1975 Chevrolet K10 4x4, $2,000. Last on our list is a 1975 Chevy K10 4x4, located in Huntington, Tennessee. This short bed truck comes with a fully intact drivetrain, but it doesn't currently run. The interior has been mostly restored, and the seller is asking $2,000. The Chevy K10 from this era was popular for its off-road capability, and it remains a favorite among enthusiasts today. With some work, this could be a great restoration project for someone who loves classic 4x4 trucks. And that wraps up today's list. Which one of these classic trucks are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget classic car finds on Kingna.